Hi all, Ashley Bright here. This is from Missy, who is Duvessa Paper Love on Instagram, and we did a Maggie Holmes swap. And I did already peek inside, but that's it. I didn't go through anything yet. So let's just dive right in. I'm super excited. I'm gonna make sure this doesn't really fall off and take a look how pretty everything is, and look how pretty she decorated the top. So beautiful. So I'm gonna move this a little bit to the side and move all this super pretty shred. And let's go through some of the packages. So we've got this cute little bag, Don't Quit Your Daydream, super cute. And I love this carousel paper. And I love this tool also. I don't have any tool like this that has like the little specks in it. So that's super pretty, love that. And then we've got this one. Ooh, I love this. I also don't have any like ribbon like this. I don't know what exactly you call this, but I think it's called eyelash trim. But yeah, super pretty. And yay for Maggie Holmes florals. So pretty. Then, ooh, I think this is a little, ooh, okay, I think I know what this is. I'm excited to go through this. Super pretty. Oh my goodness. Wait, I just saw like this huge, okay. I'm so excited. This is so cool. This is a little suitcase. And she doesn't have a machine, so she made, wow. Wow. Oh, cool. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to open this. But look at this like chipboard and the pretty little butterflies. I love the colors you used here too. So pretty. This is beautiful. Oh wow, look at the stitching. My machine can only do one kind of stitch because I have a super like cheap little one that I got on Amazon. So every time I see like all this fancy stitching, it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm super excited about that. And then, oh my gosh, look. I'm just going for all the big things. But this is so cool too. I think this is a pizza box. That's so cool. I've never like even made one of these before. Okay, so there's more stuff still. Look at, oh, this is so pretty. I actually love this cute little mini stuff. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Wait, I'm so excited. And look, take me somewhere so cute, so pretty and delicate. I love it. So cute. And then, ooh, this actually, she posted this as a little sneak peek for me on her Instagram. It's so cute. And yay for florals, my favorite. And oh, look, cool. She's gifted me some trim. Awesome. Oh, and pink, yay. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's so exciting. I will definitely get good use out of that. Okay, and then more fun shred here. So actually, let me take a picture and I will be back. So I'll start with this super cute little pouch. And oh, look how fun. Pom-poms and yay, look at this beautiful pink color. Oh my goodness. So fun. Thank you so much. And we've got these super cute floral bows. Ooh, these are beautiful. Oh, look at this color. This is beautiful color. But all of these are gorgeous. Thank you so much. And then we've got this cute little, oh cool, it's like a little shaker sticky. It's like a little mermaid design. That's super cute. Thank you. And yay, oh, sequins. Good, I needed some more sequins, so thank you so much. I love this little color scheme here. Thank you. Awesome. I will be putting those to good use. Let's see, let's go into this little box. It's so cute. I don't even want to take off the little bow. So cute and delicate, I love it. Okay, so let's open you up. Ooh, cool, so pretty. Oh, look. Oh, this is so awesome. So she's gifted me some of this like already pre-stitched. Did you stitch all this? Thank you so much. This is so awesome. And she's like double layered it too with this really pretty tool. And then I don't know what you call this paper, sorry, but you all probably know. And so pretty. And she's given me, I shouldn't have unrolled that whole thing, but yeah, she's given me a few different green ones and a beautiful pink one that I absolutely adore. So thank you so much. Put this over here. And then let's go into this cute little delicate one. Again, look how pretty that little like extra touch of thread is. So pretty. Oh, look how cute. And she's used Sunny Days for this, which I haven't really played with the Sunny Days paper at all, but this is so pretty. Look. Wow. I don't know if this, yeah, I don't know what that's from, but this is beautiful. Oh wow, look. That's beautiful. Super cute, happy life. More little pockets over here. Oh look, it opens. I didn't realize it opened up all the way like that. That is so fun. I love this, so pretty. And she's added like lots of little details here, tons of stitching all over. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this. Thank you. Beautiful. Okay, should we unwrap something? Let's open this one up. I don't want to ruin this here. Oh, look. Oh, wow. She's gifted me these cute little, look at these pretty straws. And then these little cute pinwheels. So cute. And the little gold leaf touches. That's so pretty, guys. I love this. Thank you. Oh, and cool, some like, oh, this is really sturdy, like chipboard alphas. That's awesome. I actually don't have any like chipboard alphas, I don't think. So thank you so much. Let me put this over here. And then I guess I should like show what I've opened so far, huh? Okay, look at this. Collect beautiful moments. So pretty. I love these florals. So pretty. And then look. I like how you made like so many like interactive pieces. This is beautiful. Look, she's like double layered. Oh no, like quadruple layered. Some butterflies and then stitched it there. Super pretty. And then some doilies and some more florals down here and some bling. Super pretty. I love this ballerina. Wow, that's adorable. So cute. And this little rosette. Super pretty. Thank you so much. I like this little trim here you've got going on. Adorable. Look at this paper. I don't have any, is this blue? I love it. It's really pretty. Okay, let's go into this. And I'm gonna, oh cool, I can reuse this like little topper, so fun. And we'll go in here. Oh, awesome. This is actually super great. Thank you so much. Super cute little clothespins, thank you. All right, let's see. We already had looked at these two, but I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna save this big suitcase for last and open this bad boy up. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at these little embellishments that she made. These are stunning. I love this. Look at all the layering she did with the tulle, this little, I just call it this little eyelash trim. Super pretty shape. I like that. That's beautiful. Oh, and then she's got like different size rosettes for all of these. That's really pretty. But she's got this one, so pretty, with the tulle and more eyelash trim. And then look at this. So cute. I don't have any of this chipboard. Well, I don't have like pretty much any of this stuff, so I like all of it. It's all new to me. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, this is beautiful. I adore you. So pretty. And look at all the layering and then the stitching on each of these little layered pieces and the like faux stitching on the, oops, the little faux stitching on the die cut behind. So pretty. Oh, I love this one. I love like this, the sheen to this chipboard. So pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll close this up. Thank you so much for that. And now, I think, last but not least, let me open this up. And then, oh wow, this is like stuffed and loaded. Okay, so we've got this beautiful package. Look at this music note paper that she's kind of crinkled up. That is really, really beautiful. I love that. And then, oh, she's gifted me a little bag topper here. With, oh, look how cute this little, this little bitten ice cream. That's so cute. The little paper clip. That's adorable. And then this beautiful bag topper with lots of layering here too. More of the sunny days paper. Love that. Oh, I love this piece. Oh, the little cat. I love this so much from Willow Lanes. This is so beautiful. Thank you. I love this. Okay, and then we've got this guy. Little doily, layer doily. Another beautiful like floral piece here. Lots of fun sequins in that one. There's like all kinds of fun like star shapes in this one. And like hearts and yeah, really fun sequence mix there. And then, oh look, eyelash trim. Awesome, yeah, I don't have any of this. Thank you so much. That's great, thank you. Oh, and then look how pretty. Oh my goodness me. These are stunning. I love these. These are beautiful. Wow. These are so cute and little. I love them. Oh, they're so cute, these little rosettes. Look how pretty. So cute. Thank you for that. That is beautiful. And then let's go in and grab this last piece. I've got stuff everywhere. I opened kind of messily, sorry, but I was just excited. On top of the world, yep, this is beautiful. Look at this. And I like how she like didn't really attach it down, so I can reuse all of that. So that's super great. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's dive into this. Oh, these are some stamps. Oh, awesome. This is so cool. Thank you so much. Let's go into this cute little one. See what's in here. Oh, these are some swans. These are so pretty. Oh, these are like super layered too. She's done like multiple layers of these like really pretty white swans with that little gold touch there. So pretty. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. So we've got a few of these. And then the bag topper and doily is there. And then this one, oh no, I'm gonna have to cut into the super pretty gold stitching that she's done on this. Oh, so fun. These are these little like cactus paper clips. Super fun. Thank you so much. Oh, look. These are so fun too. Little like bikinis. Super fun. Thank you so much. Cute, cute, cute. You know, I think that's everything. Wow, I love this. This was amazing. This felt like a second Christmas. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I really appreciate all the work that you did to put this together. So thank you so much, Missy, for swapping with me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.